let's see how to change the page size in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our text ready. Now, let's say you want to change the page size for a particular document. So for example, for legal documents, you would want to change it to a legal size. To do that, we'll go over to the Layout tab. And here we can see under Page Setup, we can change the size of the paper or the document. So let's click on that. And for legal documents, we can change it to this one. Click on it. And as you can see, it also automatically changed the formatting of the text. You can do this for other sizes as well. And one thing you'll notice is that it will automatically change and adjust the text to fit into the size that you chose. And that is how you change the paper size in Microsoft Word. See you soon!